The Mhero M817's development process can be described as a test of the devil, encompassing a wide range of scenarios, from the routine to the extreme. The vehicle underwent multi-position rollover tests, including hillside rollovers, sandpit rollovers, and spiral rollovers, as well as extreme impact tests involving single-sided body lift and drop. These tests were designed to fully verify the body chassis' deformation resistance. Furthermore, multi-angle crash tests, including front, side, and rear impacts, as well as front and rear load-bearing tests for the entire vehicle, ensured the vehicle's structural safety in various crash scenarios. Furthermore, to ensure the vehicle's handling stability and structural safety in complex environments, all-terrain calibration was repeatedly tested in challenging road conditions, including hill climbing, sandpit crossing, deep pothole crossing, and driving on steep roads. This meticulous attention to detail eliminated potential risks early in the development phase. The vehicle demonstrated its exceptional protective capabilities at the industry's first Truck Front and Front Challenge, organized by the China Automotive Technology and Research Center. The vehicle first underwent a rigorous ground test, then rear-ended a 22-ton truck at 50 km per hour, and then a 5-ton truck at the same speed. Despite these challenging tests, the Mhero M817's passenger compartment structure remained intact, providing adequate survivability for the occupants, and all safety systems functioned normally. Similarly, in the China Automotive Research Institute's super crash test, the truck successfully completed 3 loop tests: rear-end impact, truck side impact, and rollover, once again demonstrating its impeccable safety performance. The M817's safety is based on its core technical support. Its first armored body design features a 19-20 mm internal high-pressure, single-piece longitudinal beam. Combined with an ultra-high-strength truss-type body and a 4-layer longitudinal and 10-layer transverse underbody structure, it forms a fundamental protection system. The vehicle also stands out with its CAS 4.0 all-round collision avoidance system, which provides braking and obstacle avoidance at speeds of 4 to 150 km per hour, and its active safety features, providing protection in all weather conditions and scenarios, ensuring users can navigate with peace of mind. With an investment of over 100 million yuan and rigorous testing, it not only redefines automotive safety standards but also sets the industry benchmark for uncompromising safety. This unwavering commitment to safety reflects Dongfeng Mengxia Technology's unwavering commitment to user safety.